and the rest of the wintergreen. If you're new here, you know what to do here. Hit that follow button. Even though I don't think it's no noobs, I think all my OGs is rocking with me tonight. Even though this was supposed to be for the community, I think that restriction got me. Ooh. Damn. Baby, it's just why I love you so much. Alright, I'm gonna keep them other two for additional bombs. You do what you do it to me. You take me and you hold me. You run me in your arms, baby. And I love you for that, baby. I love you. Y'all want me to hand mix it? Okay, these is the options. Hand mix it, put the sponges on, add liquid, add powder, and squeeze. Or get the sponges and squeeze. Which I want to do? Say A, B, or C. A, B, or C. Because that was 3 options. Most scent is B. Okay. Get the sponges, put them on top. Let me check for the puzzle. Hey, Anil. No puzzle, y'all. My phone said B was the most sent. So, I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm just going off what the view said. What the AI said. If you came in and you spoke to me at any point during this live and I did not speak back, just know I was elbow deep in pop and wintergreen, and I was fighting for my life, baby. Is that what y'all said? Let me make sure if I get the... Hey, girl! Okay. Sorry, I was over here fighting for my life. I love you too, T. Oh, y'all said do me. You just do you, and I'ma do me. Y'all, we going whole cases every round. Cause I don't know how it's gonna took me so long to do 175 cans, but this is crazy. And I'm ready to take these damn gloves off. But I can't. I've been trying to heal my skin up, cause I be hating when y'all be like, oh my God, your hands. Like a burn patient or something. So I got to get my skin together, cause I appreciate y'all more. Hopefully, this was just a little token of my appreciation to y'all. I hope y'all know that y'all are appreciated on this app. It would be no clean talk, or it definitely wouldn't be no big ass overload if it was not for y'all supporters. So this is just a way of me saying thank you for all that y'all do. For real, for real. Y'all the real MVPs. Y'all the real goats around this motherfucker. Sorry I had to cuss y'all out, but you know, sometimes the mama be coming out of me, okay? Oh, that was so good. Now get your ass back up there. No lie, this community has been so much therapy for me. Since I've been, you know, struggling through my battles. Did y'all see that whirlpool? Oh, that was good. I already know what we supposed to be doing for your overload. We deserve the mom talk. It's okay, we deserve the mom talk. Let me see if I can get y'all some suds real quick. Hold on. Now this is what you call a real MVP right here. Y'all see that? Yes. All this paste and then we made fluff. Here come my baby. I hear him moving around. Right here. It's a little fluff right there, Nessa. Don't hate on the kid. Okay? It ain't paste. Let me try to get y'all a little fluff. Right here, dish soap suds. Thank you. What y'all talking about? What you talking about? y'all. This dish soap Suds. Y'all know when y'all squeezing dish soap, that's what it look like. Fine, since y'all don't appreciate it, how about this? Hey Kelly, where's Kelly? Y'all, why are we like this? We've been dragging certain stuff for like 3 weeks. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all vote. Let me do a happy sad while I'm drinking some water and have a smoke break. Okay. I don't care what nobody say. This sponge right here will be down to a little corner pocket and it still be doing this motherfucking job. Okay.